Before you start filling your spa with water, there are a couple of checks and installation steps to complete. In this video, I will guide you through some of the tips before assembling your cover lifter, installing CPR and warning signs, and checking the barrel unions inside the spa cabinet. If your cover lifter is required to be mounted underneath the spa, then you will need to install the cover lifter before you fill your spa. We have pre-assembled the cover lifter here. Now all we need to do is slide it into place. Please check the cover lifter instructions or watch the cover lifter video on our website. Please note that cover lifters fall under the wiring rules for equipotential bonding. According to the Australian and New Zealand standards, AS NZS 3000 2018 electrical installations, you will need your product to be equipotentially bonded if the product has a conductive metallic surface that is greater than 100 millimeters in any dimension and the product is installed within arm's reach of a body of water. This includes, but is not limited to, spa pools, swim spas or pools. These standards are commonly known as wiring rules. For more information, please watch our video about equipotential bonding. Installing a cardiopulmonary resuscitation CPR sign and a cautionary spa pool safety rule sign is a requirement in some regions. No matter your location though, Spa World does recommend that CPR and spa pool safety signs are installed so they can be viewed from your spa. What is a barrel union? A barrel union joins spa plumbing to different components such as a spa pump or controller. In order to check the barrel unions, you will need to remove a panel of the spa cabinet. We recommend there are 2 people to remove the spa cabinet. The cabinet panel can be awkward to handle and you will want to make sure not to pinch your fingers or toes. How do I remove the cabinet? You will need to locate the equipment bay in order to know which cabinet panel to remove. You will find this on your spa's specification sheet. In this video, we are using the Vortex Mercury. We know that the equipment bay is located behind this panel. To remove it, you will need to use an electric drill with a Phillips No. 2 drill bit. We will need to remove all 9 screws. Now we have removed the panel, before we can actually take it away, we do need to make a check on the inside and check that any cable connections are disconnected. A barrel union, like the one that you can see here, joins spa plumbing to different components such as the spa pump or controller. What checks do I need to make with the barrel union? You will need to make sure that the barrel unions are tight. You will get an idea of this by giving them a slight twist. Good point to remember is that they only need to be hand tight. While you are here checking the barrel unions, make sure that you are aware of the isolation valves. You can see that there is one located here. Up is open and down is closed. They should remain open for the spa to run. They only need to be closed when you need to isolate components such as the pump or the UV system. If your spa is equipped with a UV lamp, occasionally you will need to replace the UV lamp. For this reason, you will need to know where the valves are located. We do have a video that guides you through the process of replacing the lamp. Just an important note, please leave the panel off until the spa is filled and started. In the rare event of a leak or a pump airlock, you will want to have access to the equipment area. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, you can head to the Spa World Learning Centre. To learn the next step in the Vortex Spa setup guide, click the following link displayed at the end of this video.